Given a scale drawing, we're going to compute actual lengths by using the quantity equals percent times whole equation. And again, keep in mind there are different ways to do this problem, but specifically we are learning about that formula quantity equals percent times whole. So how it relates to our examples we're doing today. So for the quantity, you're going to be using the scale drawing measurement. For the percent, you're going to be using the scale factor. And then the whole, the W, is the original measurement. So here's our example. The distance around the entire small boat is 16.6 units. The larger figure is a scale drawing of the smaller drawing of the boat. State the scale factor and then use the scale factor to find the distance around the scale drawing. So first of all, let's note which drawing's the original and which one's the scale drawing. In the text, we're given the larger is the scale drawing, so I'm going to just label this scale drawing. So the original is the smaller boat. So what we're going to do is first determine length to find the scale factor. So for our lengths, you have to look on your drawing. You want to try and use a straight line, either horizontal or vertical. So for our example, if you notice the bottom of the boat on the original figure, going across, that's 4 units long. And then going across the bottom of the larger boat. If you count the spaces there, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces. So this length is 8. So the W is the measurement from the original. So W would be 4. The Q is a measurement coming from the scale drawing. So that'd be 8. So again, notice we used corresponding parts on both boats. I used the bottom of the boat. You have to use corresponding parts. If you use the bottom of the boat for the one, you can't use the top of the boat. They have to both be bottom and bottom, the same measurements, corresponding parts. And again, just remember W is the original measurement and the Q is the measurement from the scale drawing. So what we're going to do is plug in 4 and 8 for our formula, Q equals P times W. So Q is 8, P is unknown, that's acting as a scale factor, and then 4 is the W. Single step equation to solve this, you're going to divide both sides by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and the 4's cancel here on the right hand side. So we're left with P is equal to 2. So for the scale factor, we're going to use 2. So now I'm ready to do my second step. We're going to find the distance around the scale drawing. So again, I'm going to use that quantity equals percent times whole formula. And quantity corresponds, that's the scale drawing measurement. So we're trying to find the distance around the scale drawing, so Q is unknown. I'm going to plug in 2, that's my scale factor, and then times 16.6. That 16.6 is the distance around that small boat. I just took that 16.6 from up in the text and plugged that in for the original. And then do your multiplication, and you get the distance around the scale drawing is 33.2 units.